Okay, so the last question, here's the answer for number 8 for the motion and forces review questions. Okay, so we've got a fighter plane landing on an aircraft carrier at 300 kilometers per hour. In part A, we're asked to convert this to meters per second. So we divide 300 by 3.6, which gives us 83.3 meters per second. Okay, so it's landing very fast. Or it's going very fast when it lands. Okay, so the average deceleration. Okay, so if we write down everything we know with SUVAT, because it's accelerated motion we're talking about here, we know that the initial velocity is 83.3 meters per second and it comes to a stop, so final velocity is 0. We're trying to find the acceleration and it does this in 25 seconds. So we're not really interested in displacement here. We want to find acceleration. So we know that v equals u plus at is our equation. If we rearrange that, acceleration is our change in velocity, so final take initial over time, which gives us this sum to do. And we find that it's negative 3.33 meters per second squared is our answer there. Okay, so in part C, we're asked to, now this time the plane's taking off again. Okay, so let's write down everything we know with SUVAT. Oops, that's not a U. Okay, so this time we're asked to determine the velocity that it takes off at. So we're trying to find v. We know that it starts from rest and it accelerates at 9.9 meters per second squared. And it takes 2.3 seconds to reach its takeoff velocity. So it accelerates at a very high rate here. Okay, so first off, we're going to use the same equation, v equals u plus at, which gives us 0 plus 9.9 by 2.3. So the takeoff velocity is 22.8 meters per second. Okay, so that's part 1. Now part 2, we want to know how long does the runway need to be. So we're going to calculate s this time, and this equation will work just fine. I believe that v equals u squared, v squared equals u squared plus 2as is okay as well, but this one already has s as the subject, so no rearranging required. Okay. 9.9 by 2.3 squared. Okay, if you put all that into the calculator, we get that the runway needs to be 26.2 meters long. Okay, so there's the final answer for question number 8. I hope it was a successful review for you. Thanks for watching these videos.